A new green revolution is emerging today and is changing the face of architecture. Engineers, architects, interior designers and builders are thinking green. The result being green, sustainable and environment-friendly architecture.
Energy efficient envelope was the design intent right from day one at Olympia. I had personally interacted with almost all glass manufacturers and I had visited some of the glass manufacturers in Middle East. Finally, when it came to the selection of glass, we had Saint-Gobain who could meet the performance of the glass set by us. Saint-Gobain was able to meet these parameters and they had supplied to us, we believe, not high performance but a super high performance glass. Thanks to Saint-Gobain, we were able to gain substantial points in our LEED's green building rating and we have achieved the gold rating as per USGBC norms.
An effective green building reduces operating costs with reduced heat gain in the interiors and controlled temperature using less energy and enhanced acoustic performance. This results in improved productivity and occupants' health, ultimately reflecting on their overall well-being.
When we designed this building, the brief that we gave the architect was we wanted to have a building which embodies the values that we stood for as Grundfos. We wanted enough natural lighting, we wanted clean air, and we wanted air conditioning which will not take too much power but yet bring down the indoor air quality or bring up the quality of the air to the required standard. First thing is that we wanted natural light, so we had to use glass. You can see this skylight, which is one of the rare things in India. Also, since we were using the skylight and glass all around, we wanted the glass to ensure that the light comes through but the heat does not, and that was a very important aspect. Also, we needed deadening of the outside noise, so we went for a double wall glass. All these were important, plus the glass would be clean and clear. This was a special glass. Any skylight would let through a lot of heat, so we approached Saint-Gobain and they were quite helpful. They sat with us and looked at our requirements and they said, okay, this is what you need, and they brought this glass in. You can stand here at noon or just in the afternoon, you can see that the light is streaming through and the sun is coming in, but there is no heat. That's the greatest advantage of using a glass and from a company like Saint-Gobain.
The use of glass in modern-day architecture has brought out the finest innovations, combining beauty with functionality and creating a seamless synergy between life and art. Glass has been expressed in various forms, styles, and has defined the shape of things to come.
Saint-Gobain, I think so, have looked at this entire job beyond that of a glass vendor. I think so they kept the end goal objective in mind, that we are partners in delivering a platinum rated building.
I mean, we consume great amounts of energy, and the way construction is happening in India, projects are getting larger and larger. A lot of them work round the clock in the IT industry. We need to get buildings which consume very little energy. In this particular project, we consume less than 50% of a conventional building. And I think it's only inevitable. It's something which will become the norm. We won't have to talk about doing green buildings or sustainable buildings. They will be green anyway.
The high-performance, energy-efficient glass from Saint-Gobain helps create a harmony between nature and architecture. It optimizes light transmission, avoids unwanted glare, minimizes the need for artificial lighting, and reduces cooling costs.
Wipro had always been an energy-conscious organization. and we wanted to reflect the same in this design as well. The Saint-Gobain had major player in this energy saving on the innumerable possibilities with the glass in terms of energy efficient and natural lighting. We are happy that these glasses are now manufactured and developed in India, which reduces the lead time, saves energy in transportation without compromising on the green requirements.
The green building concept in Wipro was started with our Gurgaon facilities, where we had applied for a platinum rated and we achieved about 56 points. And in continuation with the green concept, we went with our Cochin facility for green certification, where we got gold with 41 points. The technical team of Saint-Gobain were involved right from the design to the execution, where their inputs were taken in getting the building designed energy efficiently.
Glass being recyclable and non-toxic satisfies all the ecological parameters of being a green building material. Pioneering the green initiatives in glass manufacturing in India, Saint-Gobain brings to you varied glass solutions for acoustic and high-performance energy-efficient glazing.